Hey, it's Lindsay. Up next, we have a quick 5-minute workout that doesn't use any equipment and can be done anywhere. It's gonna be a lot of fun. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the little logo in the corner of this video. It's completely free and helps to allow me to make more workouts just like this one. All right, are you ready to get started? Because your workout starts right now. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So our first exercise is gonna be clamshells. So we're here on our side and we're gonna be lifting up and starting now. So close and open, close and open. Good. So 30 seconds holding the side plank with a clamshell. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch sides. Here we go, side plank position and clamshell. Good. Opening our knee up to the ceiling and holding that side plank. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And next exercise, laying leg lifts. Each exercise today is going to be 30 seconds and we have 10 different exercises. Good, keeping that leg straight, keeping that back flat on the ground, and we are kicking high. Squeezing that quad. 3, 2, 1, and switch sides. Squeeze that core. Use that quad, lift it up. Good, keep it up. We have 10 seconds. Good, and next exercise, laying leg circles. So we're gonna be on our side and we are going to make a circle. Good, and we're keeping our foot rotated forward, so we're not turning it up on this one, keeping it forward. Good, almost done. 2, 1. And switch sides. Good job, you guys. Keep it up. We have 20 seconds left. Using the outside of your leg to lift up to the sky and circle forward. 10 seconds. Next exercise is going to be one leg hip thrust. So we have one leg up in the air, hip thrust up and down. Good, keep it up. We are halfway. And then we are switching sides. Lift those hips up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch sides and lift up. Get those hips up high. Squeeze those glutes. And lift and down. Keep it up, lift high and down. And use that hamstring. And up and squeeze. 3, 2, 1. Last exercise is doggy leg circles. So we're here, we're going a circle to the back. Very good, halfway. Keep it up, feel the burn in that hamstring. 3, 2, 1, and switch and circle. Good. Use that hamstring to lift up and circle. We are almost done. Halfway. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are all done. And that was your quick workout today. Very good job, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new workouts. Also, if you're interested, check out my other channels for more fun workouts. I'll see you tomorrow.